And La Fermette means a small farm or a little farmhouse. We start the farm 10 years ago, and we start only with some animals and the cow. And we start to sell our milk to the neighborhood. And we start some table hosting, so people just call us to prepare some food for them. It was always a surprise for them. And step by step, the people say, John, you should open a restaurant here for the people to come. We start last year, May 2018, and people come from downtown. So we want to do something natural. So this space, Café Bistro, was before an old by Kubo. So just to show that it's possible to do something nice, something welcoming for the people, and just with what you have.
Hey! Kapag pumunta ka dito sa La Fermette, ang isa sa nagbibigay atraksyon dito sa kanila, ang kanilang kawaba. So, kailangan mo maligo dito. Pero kailangan na mga 45 minutes, kailangan dito magbabad sa tubig kasi syempre, ito kasi tubig na merong apoy sa ilalim. So, ito yung nagbibigay relax. This milk is the one you use in the restaurant?
Yes, this milk, we milk our own cow, and after we use the milk for the cafe bistro that we have here in the farm.
Anything else? That's my question. I'm very hard.
Very hard.
Mahirap
magsalita?
Ay, marunong kayo magtagalog, sir?
Marunong.
Ano po yun naman?
Bakit hindi sinabi?
Buti na lang pala. Okay, sir. Hindi na ako mahirapan nito. Okay, so itong gatas na to, sir, yun ang ginagamit natin doon sa bistro
Gamit
natin.
kami yung anong gatas doon sa restaurant. So lahat, almost lahat ng dishes, we use our milk.
Okay.
So for the yogurt, for the cream, for the milk, for the iba-ibang dishes, we use our milk.
And charing! Ito na yung gatas na nakuha natin galing kay Lily. So, punta na tayo sa kitchen.
Yes, punta sa kitchen para they will process.
Okay. Let's go. At eto na ang the best food dito sa La Fermette. What is this? What is this, sir?
This is the omelette soufflé.
So ano yung nasa loob nito, sir?
So sa loob, may parmesan, may mushroom.
Creamy siya, no?
Yes.
Ito yung sinasabi nyo kanina.
Yes, so this one is a fusion of Filipino and French food.
Okay.
So it's a mix about carbonate flamand, that is a French, and the adobo.
Siyempre, ito yung ulam, sir.
Yes.
Kasama yung kanin.
Yes, blue rice.
So, ito naman, yung ating titikman. Ito, napaka-French talaga nito, no? So, gutong sushi.
Gutong sushi.
Tama ba?
Yes. Taste that. Taste this.
Pwede baliktad. Sushi, gutong.
No.
Gutong na ako. Okay, sige.
And here you have a selection of cheese. If you want to try our cheese, this is our cheese and this one. So you can try this one if you want, because it's really the cheese of La Fermette. So in France, what we do, most of the time we take butter, and after you put the cheese. Kaya. Medyo salty siya.
Oo. Oo nga. Alat-alat.
Medyo.
Nilagyan ng alat.
Yes, you have to. If you want to make cheese, the milk to make cheese need the salt to make it the bacteria working. If you don't have the salt, the bacteria cannot work.
Okay. Masarap, ha? Siyempre kami mga Pinoy, mahilig kami sa kape. Pwede bang isaw-saw to?
Pwede. In north of France, we do like this. In the morning, we have a strong coffee. They do like this and you just put inside the coffee and they eat like that.
Ito ang ginagawa niyo rin, sir?
Yes.
Kaya pala. Magkabati tayo. Bon appétit.
Bon appétit.
Bon appétit.
So I would say if someone wants to make this business, he should do it by heart. Talaga. You cannot make this business just to make money.
Mag-Agri tayo dito.